More gifts for Tyler from his uncle. What, Tyler? What, Ty? What, Ty? What? Hello, hi Fez. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night.
Good morning.
Hi guys, Tyler say good morning. You guys, my battery totally went out on me just now. My battery totally went out on me just now, so I had to change it. So now I'm on the road with the one empty battery, but that's okay. I have enough spare for the day. You guys, how are you doing? It's a brand new day, another day on vacation, another day with the fam bam, another day to see some more family and some more friends, and that's exactly what we're about to do right now. So today, right now, this very minute, we're on our way to meet up with babe besties and their wives and their kids. So babe have two friends that recently their wives gave birth, so we're going to meet those babies for the first time and we're going to have lunch together. So it should be a bunch of us today going to have lunch and meet those babies, and just going to be a happy time meeting new members of the fam bam. So that's what we're gonna do today. So yeah, I don't know what else will happen for the rest of the day, but of course we'll take you guys along as usual. So hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. You guys, I'm not getting any workouts in, but guess what, let me tell you a little secret. I am trying to dodge all these French foods. What I'm doing is when they give me the food, when they're really determined to give me the food, I just taste it and give babe the rest. So babe have to be babe stuffing himself with his plus mine. So that's what's going on right now, because this mama ain't about to go back to my city with 3 to 5 added pounds. It is not going to happen. I am determined to not let it happen, and it's been going good so far. Okay, I had salad for dinner yesterday and I'm pretty excited. I went McDonald's yesterday for lunch, but I had a wrap, so that's good. That's good. I didn't have any sandwich, I didn't have any bread, so it's awesome. And breakfast is good as usual. I have eggs and a cup of tea and I'm good to go. Anyway you guys, but I'm gonna bask in the little tastiness that is here and there, and not to beat myself up too much about all these yumminess that these French people have around me to eat. All right you guys, enough of my chit-chatting and rambling. Hopefully you guys have an amazing day. If it's your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe if you are new, and we'll catch you guys in a bit. Red fire truck. Tyler say later faves. Yes. What is that?
Things that mommy have in the decoration.
Okay, cool. You guys, we're in this mall. I think that's where we're going to meet for lunch. So we're in this mall. I think this is where we're going to meet for lunch. But we're gonna see if we do a little bit of shopping. I'm going to buy Tyler one of these outfits. So cute. How much for the canvas? Ty? How much for the canvas? $160. Come. Come, baby, come. These outfits are so cute.
Look at the monster.
So cute. So we stop in the flower store getting flowers for our friends, for the females that just have babies. Yeah. Go, Papa. So we're getting them these cute stones. You guys, we're actually here with a few of our friends. Some of them's late. So Tyler is here having nuggets and fries and a little aperitif before, a little appetizer. That's what I'm having for my appetizer. That's Babe. That's Cindy, and the baby's over there sleeping. Thomas actually gone to get his food. You guys, I'm staying on my word. I'm having broccoli. That's what Babe's having. More gifts for Tyler from his uncle. Wow, Tyler! What, Ty? What, Ty? What?
Et toi, t'as le petit bonhomme, tu vas aller dans l'espace. D'accord?
Un bisou à tata et tonton. Bisou à tata. Tell a bisou. Mwah. We soon open it. When you reach home, we open it, okay? Tell a bisou à tonton. Tai, bisou.
S'amuser. Non, mais c'est vrai qu'il me surprend parfois.
We soon open it. When you reach home, we open it, okay? Okay? Go, Ty, go! Go, baby, up! Push him off! Up, Ty, up! We're stuck in traffic, heading back home, heading back to Mama. Just left lunch at almost 4 o'clock. chit-chatted, and I didn't vlog much at the at lunch because I didn't want to have the babies on the vlog, so I didn't want anybody to feel kind of uncomfortable with the camera around. I think it was the right thing to do, well, to me. So I just showed I showed our friends just a little bit and showed you guys what we were having to eat. But somebody is knocked out in the back. Knocked out. I guess we're all tired. We've been going at it non-stop, and we'll continue go at it for the next week. Thank God I have another week before I go back to work, and somebody will be tired going back to work.
Hi guys, yeah, so it's the end of the day. We are about to go to bed now. Yeah, as always when we're in Avignon, out there is very, very busy. So yeah, it's vacation. We try not to rush too much. We try not to like to run everywhere, but in the same time out there busy. So yeah, today have been a very good day. Didn't do much but see some very good friends, and yeah, that was a good day. So hopefully you enjoyed this vlog. Oh, you have a Jamaican expression? No. So unfortunately there will be no Jamaican expression because she's out of Jamaican expression.
I'm not out of. I can never be out of Jamaican expression.
Oh, so what is Jamaican expression for today?
Me not done.
You not done?
No.
What it means?
I am not finished.
Okay, you're not finished. Me not done. Me not done.
Me not done.
So if a Jamaican tell you me not done, means simply that is not finished.
Right. Hey, good explanation, my love. I see you, boo.
The French expression will be avoir les jambes en compote. Avoir les jambes en compote simply means to have the legs in compote. How you say compote in English? Compote?
Pureed fruit.
Pureed fruit. So to have the legs in pureed fruit.
What does that even mean?
Simply mean that your legs are very, very, very tired. They feel very, very tired. So you have your legs in pureed fruit.
Oh my God. Hilarious.
Avoir les jambes en compote.
Avoir les jambes en compote.
Right, after you walk out a lot, and that's the feeling
All
that you have.
right, okay? That's the one for me.
Yeah. Avoir les jambes en compote. Alright guys, so make sure you get it, okay? You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Right.
Alright, baby, I see you, boo.
So yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, to comment down below, to subscribe if you're new, and turn on the notification bell. Catch up and keep up. Hey. I will see you guys tomorrow.
Yes!
Have a good night.
Winnings! Wait, you need to tell somebody else to say bye. Who you didn't say to tell bye? Look who is up. He's on vacation. 11 o'clock. And Tyler's still up. Vacation mood. Tyler, say bye, Fibs. Say bye, Fibs. Later. Yes, it's Mama on. Say tomorrow, Fibs. Tell Fibs tomorrow. Tell Fibs tomorrow. Tyler, can you tell Fibs tomorrow? Look in the camera. It's Mama on. Say bye, Fibs.
Bye, Fibs.
Jesus, his head hit yours.
Darling, you complain, it's you.